Blake's here, and today we're going to be looking at a prepared slide of a pine leaf. And what's cool about pine leaves is specifically adapted to their environment. So we're going to take a look at all the unique ways they've done that. All right, so a pine leaf, or more accurately described as a needle, is a marvel due to its shape and evolutionary design. So let's take a closer look and try and get it into focus. Yeah, this is one of the prettiest things I've seen under a microscope. It's really cool. So the first thing that we're going to look at today is the waxy cuticle. And this is basically the surface of the needle that is covered in this waxy layer. And sometimes it appears smooth or more granular. So let's see if we can get that into focus. And this waxy cuticle is crucial for reducing water loss. Yeah, there we go. And this basically helps the tree remain for survival in dry or cold conditions. So pine leaves differ in their stomata than other plant leaves, basically because it has what is called a sunken stomata. So basically it has tinier pores for gas exchange. Let's see if we can take a closer look at that. So they're often at the surface of the pine needle, and they're often recessed in the pits. And under high magnification, you can see these pits as darker spots or lines. And this position helps minimize moisture loss. Lastly, we're going to take a look at the resin ducts. So the resin ducts are internal ducts that basically look like elongated tubes. And these ducts carry resin, which is a sticky substance that helps the plant heal from injuries. Isn't that cool? So one of the ways that pine needles help the environment is they filter out a lot of toxins and pollutants in the environment. Hi guys, thanks for joining me on this adventure of looking at pine needles under the microscope. This is one of the prettier samples I've ever had under my microscope, so I really enjoyed this one today. And if you like me and you like this content, why don't you send me a direct message?